Hi guys, it's Andy Berkey. I've got a blank wall in the shop and a Sunday afternoon with nothing to do. So we're going to make those two, come together and see where we're at with it. So enjoy it. This is going to be kind of a one-shot deal, no editing or anything like that. We're just going to see what we can come up with. So enjoy the ride. Talk to you on the back side of this train wreck. So there he is, Laughing Buddha. Took me about 2.5 hours. Used the $25 overhead projector from the pawn shop. And I like him. He's cool. Neighbors think I'm a freak.